Human performance optimization implicates two different realms, albeit synergistic in nature. Your workspace is driven by your mindset, whereas your workplace is determined by your environmental setting. I'll explain the differences using the terms set and setting. As I've highlighted throughout previous videos, the brain drives the mind. Mindset is your disposition toward the human experience, determined by various factors such as your perception, attitude, beliefs, and daily habits. On the other hand, workplace is the physical location where your performance actually takes place. It can be relatively predictable or dynamic and change from day to day. Regardless of your setting, your set should be as consistent as possible. Remember, consistency doesn't always equate to complacency. Mindset is malleable. It's not a fixed entity. It can be changed through application-based practices. Change takes courage. So tune in next time to practice the art of cultivating space. Thank you for joining the mission.